to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Next session, managing exercises created using hot potatoes. The exercises created using hot potatoes can be shared with the students. In this video, you will learn how to share the exercises created using hot potatoes with the students. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student 2016. Both are licensed versions and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. The thing what you have to do is, all the hot potato exercises you go on put in one folder, hot potato files. I have put it in class 10 max, quiz and other assessment, hot potato files. Now these hot potato files can be created while you are using the exercises also. I think when we were doing all the exercises, it was asking you to save it somewhere. Please try to save it in a particular folder. Now this folder contains two types of files. One is HTM. I am showing you. These are all HTM files. And the icon for that HTM file, you are seeing that it is showing the icon of Google Chrome. Suppose you are using any other web browser, then that browser icon will be shown to you. Now you are seeing that these are all, whatever you are seeing over here, these are all type HTML file. This is HTML. These all are HTML files. And on the top you are seeing that JMS, JMS, this is JMS, JMS, JMS. These files are all hot potato files. Okay, now this is JMS, this is JMS, this is quiz, mix mean JMX, and JCW is the crossword, like that. Now what you do is, now you can share this HTML file with the children. Don't share this JMS file, because this HTML file can be opened in a browser even though it is offline. I am telling once again, even though it is offline also, this one will open. I will just want to show you that how it open. Now you see I am having this internet. It is running now with me. Let me close that internet. I am disconnecting. I am disconnecting. Now I have no internet now. Now I have no internet. Not connected. Now let me show you that how this will work now. Now general cross I open now. I am opening general cross. Now it will open now in the browser. Now it has opened now. Taking some time. It has opened now. You see now the cross which I have made now, the child can do it now. Remember, now I am doing offline. There is no need for internet to run this HTML file. But you have to share this file with the children, not the link. Be careful. You have to share the file with the children. Now what you can do? Now this file you can send it through email, or you can attach this and you can send it through WhatsApp also. Because if you send it at say WhatsApp also, the child will download that, and in the browser of the WhatsApp, whatever the browser they are using in the mobile which they are having, they can see this. Okay, now I wish to tell you once again that whenever you want to manage the hot potato exercises, there are two ways are there. One is the masher, which you have already seen it. That masher will give you a single unit so that you can give it to your child. Suppose if you want to give it in chunks, that is you don't want to give it in at a time, you want to give them one after the other, what you can do is you can send this file as an attachment to their WhatsApp or to the email ID. Another way of doing it is, I am just telling you that create a folder with all exercises on hot potatoes, upload the folder in Google Drive. Which files are to be given to the children? Remember, only this HTML file are to be shared with the children. don't share these files with the children. Don't share these files which are having the hot potato symbol. Don't share it. These are all containing questions, but these are all containing exercises. Or share only the HTML file. What you can do is you can take only this HTML file in a particular folder, upload it in your Google Drive and share that link with the children so that they can download the total folder and they can go on doing the practice of the exercises. For what you have to do now, create a folder with all exercises on hot potatoes. That is 5 different types of exercises you can create and upload the folder in the Google Drive. Then simply if you upload the folder in the Google Drive, you can simply give the link to the children. Suppose if you don't want to give all of them at the same time, what you can do is you can send the individual file, HTML file to the children. They can do it without internet also. The remaining topics will be covered in the upcoming videos.